everyone, we are doing a very short professional development video for all teachers and staff so that we make sure that you know how to reach and locate the Destiny Discover icon that's on the home page. This will allow you to search books in our Summit Drive catalog. So to locate the catalog, you just need to scroll to the very bottom of the home page, right down here, and see this little Q icon? Click on it. That's the shortest and fastest way. Once you click on it, it'll bring up the Destiny Discover homepage, and you can search for anything that's in our library. You can search by topics, recently added books, ebooks, and you can also log in using your username and password to put books on hold. Remember, as a teacher, if you put a book on a hold, we'll put it in your box for you and you can have it. You can also come into the library anytime and we'll be happy to help you search for something that you need. We also wanted to remind you about the Robbie Van Pelt Materials Center. That's for class books, class sets of books. So if you need to request a class set of books from them, you can come down and we'll help you search to see if they have something you need. Well, you do need a 2-week notice before you put something on hold. So give them 2 weeks to request materials. I also wanted to tell you something else that Destiny Discover offers. So if you go to the Chrome Web Store, if you can't find it, just type in Chrome Web Store in Google and it'll pull it right up. So if you go to the Chrome Web Store and type in Destiny Discover, they have a very cool Chrome extension. So if you add the extension, click Add Extension. See how it has this little icon up top, Destiny Discover Resources? You could click on it and then configure your school using the Go Follett link to Summit Drive. You need to change that. So click on South Carolina, Summit Drive. That's as easy as it is to set up. Now, what's really cool about this extension is that when you're searching in Google, that it'll automatically bring up all the resources from our library right above in a ribbon above your search. Well, Yahoo is obviously not wanting to let me search for Google, so I need to, because it automatically brought up, so if you're searching in dog, see this neat ribbon that comes up? It'll bring in all the resources that we have and show you. You can easily see what we have available in the library where you don't have to always search in other locations. And it's all in one place. So that's a great thing that you might want to think about downloading and putting onto your Chrome extensions. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, just come down to the library and we'll help you. Thanks, guys.